Well, finally got the bus to the house, so he's gonna try to back it in here. I'm supposed to guide him. I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. Poor dad inside. Yeah. You know, hey Chris. Chris. You know, it might be easier. I'll show you a different spot, and it might be easier just for you to cut it and drop it over there.
Well, what I was thinking about doing is just backing in for right now. That way I can move it over.
Okay.
See, I'm getting kind of close to this bus.
Yeah. You know, you could just back it over here and drop it in the mud. I don't give a shit.
Well, I don't know if I can make that.
Oh, okay.
What other place you talking about?
Right here. Either right here, or if you want to pull it up a little bit and swing it around back into here is fine too.
I might be able to work that out.
Might be easier just to pull up a little bit and then back her and yeah. Up to you. You know, either way's fine.
Yeah, I just got to make sure these tires are past the point of that bus.
Yep.
Because that's your pivot.
Yep.
And then hopefully the overhang will come around
Yeah.
away from that building.
But or either way, if you like say you want to drop it and then scoot it over, that's fine.
Well, no,
too.
I was just going back in and pull back forward.
Oh yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah, that's all I'm trying to do right now.
Yeah, that's fine. Of course, this side's kind of tough to see when you're.
Yeah. So, I'm kind of surprised I hit it on boost first try.
Yeah. No, it looks good.
If I would have kept it coming around, I was afraid the front would
Yeah.
bust.
Yeah, it was getting close, but I saw you cutting it, so.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Yeah, I think backing it up, just like you said, and pulling it, I think that's good.
yeah. Well, what I might do is go and pull up a little bit, move it over just a little bit right now.
Okay.
And back up to here, and pull around this one.
Okay. I've known Chris a long time. Shoot, I think 30 years at least. That wrecker's amazing. It weighs 70,000 pounds. how close that is. Crazy.
How much farther over do you need it?
You know, I think that's probably good enough. They can get through, you know, pull in, whatever. Yeah, I reckon that's good.
Because I can pull back. Because I think I cut it too early, but I couldn't tell how close I was to this one.
Right.
But if you think that's good, then
Yeah, I think that's good.
because my front end's about to drop off in the ditch right
Yeah,
there.
no, I think that's good.
But also, whenever I go extend it out, it's going to kick the front end over just a little bit.
Okay. Cool.
So, you happy with it right there?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Well, you know, some days are better than others, right? We left about 4:30 this morning, or today is, I'm not sure, it might be past midnight now. I don't know what time it is. So, started this about 20 hours ago. I'm in good spirits, you know. Like I always say, it's a luxury problem, you know. It's not real problems. I did all I can do to get it here, and on my end, and I feel good about it. You know, if you've done all you can do, that's all you can do. I can't believe he gets under this bus and does all this. That's just crazy.
I was going to show you that little mini light I got. I got one of these about that tall, about that long.
Oh, that's cool. I need one.
And they make it for round set, flat 7 or round 4.
Hmm.
I'm going to show it to you. Well, actually, I'm going to give you right home. It's up in the bag.
Okay, cool.
I buy shit like that for my own. That way, if I leave, it's mine.
Mm-hmm.
This board right here is my board. All wireless.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And it holds charge for 3 days.
Wow. That's awesome. You got to go in and turn the lights off, turn the hazard lights off.
I got diesel on my jacket, so the leak has to be right around this area somewhere.
Oh yeah, yeah, I seen the leak. I seen it. Yeah. On the drive shaft, I just bolted back up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I put tape on the caps.
Okay.
And your green coater you had in there? Yeah, where you had your cup.
Okay.
I put all the bolts in that air fitting in that.
Inside here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And right in the first seat.
Oh, okay.
I put it in the first seat. That way it'd be leaning back. I didn't have to worry about hitting the floor.
Okay, cool. Thank you. My lens keeps getting wet. That's good.
That's good because that's all I got.
Okay, perfect. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, leave the keys in it. Not like somebody's gonna steal it.
Donnie, you see that cup holder?
Yes, I guess.
Should have all your bolts and your
Cool.
air fitting in. Whenever you see that fitting right there,
Yep.
that means it's on your primary tank. That is a pressure relief valve.
Okay.
That's always on your primary side.
Okay.
That way, if your governor gives out and it creates too much PSI, it'll pop that off before it blows anything up.
Okay, cool. And it just screws right back in there. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. I got you.
3/4 inch French.
Okay. Wheel bus. Door doesn't have a handle. It's kind of funny.
See, back in the day, we just put the dock shaft out all together. Nowadays, I do time work.
Yep.
I'm too old to have to do that.
That's the air hose. So the for the air brakes, because as soon as the if it loses pressure, the brakes will lock up. They're held open with air pressure on one side. So he hooks that air hose up to his truck, so that way it'll release the brakes. Otherwise, you might have the brakes come on while you're towing it, and that wouldn't be good. All right, well, I'm gonna cut the video because I gotta take a leak. There it is.